Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to center an image in a PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is a useful skill when you need your images perfectly aligned for professional documents or presentations. Let's get started. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to Recent Files and select the file where you want to center the image. This takes you straight into your document, ready for editing. Now, in the upper left toolbar, click on Edit. This activates the editing mode and allows you to modify elements within your PDF. Here's something important to understand. Adobe Acrobat Pro DC is primarily a PDF editor, not a layout tool, so it doesn't have a traditional center button like you might find in design software. However, there is an alternative way to center your image effectively. In the upper left, click on Menu, then select View. From there, click on Show/Hide, then select Rulers and Grid, and finally click on Grid. This displays a grid overlay on your document, which serves as a visual guide to help you position your image more accurately. The grid makes it much easier to see when your image is centered relative to the page. With the grid now visible, click on the image you want to center, then drag it toward the center of the page. Use the grid lines as reference points to align it properly. Take your time here to ensure it looks balanced on the page. If you're not satisfied with the grid method, you can use the ruler for even more precision. In the upper left, click on Menu again, then select View, click on Show/Hide, select Rulers and Grid, and this time choose Ruler. The ruler appears along the top and left edges of your document, giving you exact measurements to work with. Now adjust or drag the image to center it using the ruler as your guide. The ruler allows you to see the exact position of your image in relation to the page dimensions, making it easier to achieve perfect alignment. This method is particularly helpful when you need pixel-perfect centering for formal documents. Once you're happy with the placement, head to the upper right and click the Save button. This ensures all your changes are preserved in the PDF file, and there you have it. You've successfully centered an image in your PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC, either with the grid or ruler method. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.